Hey, what is up, guys? This is the FNH here, and today I am going to be reviewing the Sruim Selfie Stick. Okay, so basically, this is a selfie stick that I got from Amazon. Right, it's around $17. Not too expensive, but not too cheap either. Right, but it does come with a bunch of different, I guess, tools to help accommodate your different types of video recording hardware. Right, so yeah, let's just look right into it. All right, so this is a adjustable selfie stick, obviously, which most are. It comes in a case like this, to keep it safe. It's a really good case. Let's put the box to the side. It's a pretty nice case. I really like it. Right, it keeps it secure and protects it from getting damaged. All right, so let's see what's the first thing that comes out. Okay, this is the actual selfie stick, and let's see what these things are. This is, whatever that is. All right, this is let's see. All right, this is some kind of attachment. I'm not really sure what goes here, but obviously something would go here and then this would tighten it up. Not really sure what that would be. This is a GoPro attachment, right? So if you have a GoPro, you can attach this to that and, attach that. And this is for a regular phone. Okay, so this is I guess the main reason that I got this is for my phone. Okay, and I'm assuming, yep. All right, this side is adjustable. Okay, so yeah, that's good. And now let's look at the main thing. All right, the actual selfie stick itself is from just feeling it. The quality is really good. The handle is, it has a grip on the handle, which is pretty good. This is an attachment you can put over here, right? Let's open it up. Let's see, what does this say? This basically says pull and turn right to lock. So let's turn it left to unlock. All right. Oh, okay, so I guess pretty long. Okay, so it extends from 11.8 inches, which is this, all the way to 36.6. So that's quite some size. So, all right, so let's look at the attachment up here. Okay, so I'm assuming, so let's say if you want to put your phone, you would just screw that in either, well, actually you can screw it in both ways. I think normally I would screw it in this way. So you screw that in, right? So I'll keep this small for now, and then you can put your phone there and then take a picture. This seems pretty loose, and if I do it down, it's loose. I'm assuming up will tighten it. So it does tighten it going up, but for some reason it doesn't fully go up all the way, right? Like it is tightened, but it kind of gets loosened. So you saw it automatically fall back down, but I don't know, it's not really going more up. But I guess if you don't, wiggle it a lot, it will stay, but not really sure. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. The thing is, it doesn't come with a booklet or anything to basically show how to do it, right? But yeah, I mean, I'm pretty sure it's just me doing something wrong, but you can do different, try out different ways, and it does work. I did get this as a recommendation from someone else, so I know it's pretty good. But yeah, overall, it's really good. It works with pretty much any type of cell phone. It works with the DJI Osmo action camera, right? It also works with what is that, a GoPro, right? This is waterproof, and also another thing is this does not have Bluetooth in it. So I know some of them have like buttons over here where you can, just press the button and take a picture with as a Bluetooth. This does not have that, right? So if you are looking for that, this doesn't have it. This is, I guess, would be more for videos, right? You can start recording and then extend it out. For pictures, you would probably have to put a timer on it, right, for the pictures to work. But aside from that, I think it's a pretty good product, sturdy, well made, gets the job done. But yeah, so Amazon, I got it for $17. I'll leave the link down below so you guys can check it out. If you guys have any questions or comments about this, please let me know. I'd love to clarify things for you if anything was unclear. Get some more information for you guys. But yeah, if you like the video, make sure to like it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.